Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix incorrect badge notification in Message app on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: use Siri for read unread messages. First, wake up your Siri by saying, "Hey Siri." Once it wakes up, say, "Read my unread messages." Now Siri will read your all messages and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is select message and read all. For that, launch Message app, tap 3 dot icon, then tap select messages. Now tap on read all. You can also check your unread messages. Tap filters, tap unread messages. If you have any unread messages, those will appear here and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is disable and enable badge notification in Message app. Firstly, tap on setting app, tap on notifications, scroll up, tap on messages, scroll up. You can see appears on screen badges. Turn off badges. Wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Then check that badge notification is going or not. If it does not, try out the following method. Unread messages notification. Tap customize notifications. Tap on repeat alerts. Select never and go back and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update Message app. Firstly, tap on App Store and tap on profile icon and on the top right corner check the app updates. If app updates are available, updates your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying this solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting. You can see appears on screen. Reset all setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings and problem is fixed. How to fix incorrect badge notification in Message app on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.